How to change language on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change language on Netflix, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to change the language on Netflix, all you have to do is to simply go ahead and then open the Netflix application first of all. And once you open the Netflix app, you'll come to this page. And do not open up any of the profile just yet. What we have to do is tap on the edit button on the top right hand side of the screen to come to this page. And once we are on this specific page over here, you'll be able to see all of these profiles. Now you simply have to select your profile on which you want to change the language, and then here you'll find a second option that says display language. Now if it's in some other language that you do not understand, you can simply look for this A icon, which is in a human, and the A icon over here right at second. Just tap on this option. Over here you can simply choose the language that you want. So currently it is set to English. You can set it to any other language. Once you do so, you can come back and then it is going to save the changes automatically without having you to tap on the save button. And when you log into that specific account, you're going to be signed in with that specific language. And that is basically how you can change the language on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.